Hello everyone, hello, welcome to Nha Trang. Your number one man, Banjit Banjood here. Banjit Banjood. Number one. I want to show you guys my hotel in Nha Trang, Nha Trang, Vietnam, guys. I want to show you guys my room in Nha Trang, guys. I stayed here before and I love it and I'm filming it. So in case if you guys interested, yeah, it is a beautiful hotel. Trust me, I'm a hotel master. So it is a new development. It is like a 6-7 floor, guys. The top floor is a penthouse. It's just like a 1-bedroom apartment. And the rest of them, it's just 2 units on each floor. So it is not crowded whatsoever. So if you want a peaceful place, this is it. You know, this is it. There is no noise, no nothing. So as you see that, I have all kind of furniture here, a lot of lights, good central air conditioning. And so what I'll have here, I have a fridge right there, down there, guys. I have a bathtub here, which I never used that. So this is my sink here, guys. And this is my bathtub here. And the toilet and the shower is separate, guys. You see that? One side is a toilet, the other side is a shower. So I was in the next room, guys, 501, and I moved here because they want to do some sort of renovation on the 501. You see that each floor has only 2 rooms. And you see that how nice is it? And comes with the elevator too, guys. You see that there's elevator too. So only 5 floor. Sorry, only 6 floor. Each of them is 2 rooms. Each floor has only 2 units, so it is not noisy. It is really nice. So if you ask me how much I paid, $50 right now, Canadian. $50 a night, Canadian. And every day they do cleaning, they give you water, coffee, tea, just the normal things that usually happens on every single hotel. So I really love this hotel because it is not noisy. That's the bottom line. You understand, guys? Because there's not many people. For example, in this floor now, I'm alone because I was at 501 facing the street. This one is facing nothing. So even better because there's some sort of construction going on in that side. Even next time if I come here, I'm gonna stay on 502 instead of 501. 501 facing the street, but they had to do some renovation, clean up and stuff like that. So I moved here. So far so good. Everything is good, guys. And you can see Banjit here. I want to shower there because I'm stinky. I don't know what to put in this bathtub because I smell like shit. It just doesn't go away with the soap and shampoo. I have to do something about myself. Guys, I'm not tired, but I thought, to show you guys my room. But hopefully this Banjood is going to continue. But when I'm in the right mood. And if you want to put me in the right mood, guys, like my video, hype my video, write me a comment, like the video, comment, hype it. Because if I'm putting this much of time and energy to entertain you guys, all I'm asking that, even if you don't like my video, one of them, still like it because that motivates me because I have to grow my channel. So yeah, guys. So I know a lot of you guys like this Banjit character. Banjit Banjood, number one. I like it too. So hopefully I'm gonna come up with more Banjit Banjood. But I want to make it very, very funny. So I have to be in really good mood. So, and if you guys want to put me in a good mood, like my video, subscribe, comment, share, hype, do something that, to grow my channel. That's all I'm asking, guys. And then Banjit is come back, Banjit Banjood, Mare Vagar. So guys, this is my hotel, this is my room. I really recommend it. If you're interested, send me a, just write me a comment you're interested, so I'll send you a link to the hotel. Cheers guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. My battery finishing my camera, so I'm not using it my phone. When you go into these places, you just hear fuck man. So guys, my battery is finished. I'm gonna end the video. I guess I'm close to the train station. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, one day I'm gonna come and film here again, the train station and around here. But it was a lovely day, guys. So I want to finish the video, end the video, and I'm gonna start walking because heat is killing me, guys. It is so hot. So I'm heading back to my room, upload this video, and tomorrow I'm gonna come back here and film different part of here. So for now, bye. This video is going to be very long, I know that, but this is a train station. Since I'm here, guys, I thought just to film it. This is a train station. Look how beautiful it is, guys. This area is just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Now, seriously, guys, look at it. How beautiful it is here. This is exactly in front of the train station, and there's a huge McDonald's next to it. So this is a train station, guys. But tomorrow, the schedule is to come and walk around this area. I want to introduce you guys to this area, so you know you don't just go to the touristic part, because there's a lot of lovely places that you can stay. Yeah, so guys, we're gonna go and explore all this back street right there, and yeah, so we're gonna find a way. I don't know what to do. I'm walking and I see all these beautiful places to film. So I came here before, probably like 2 years ago when I was here. So there's another place that you can come take a picture, and I guess you can go up there too. I don't know, like maybe I have to buy tickets or whatever, but this is another lovely place. I don't want to film everything today, so I want to leave it some stuff for tomorrow. So there's no entrance fee or anything here too, guys. God bless Vietnam. God bless Vietnam. If it was Thailand or Indonesia, especially Indonesia, in Indonesia, everywhere you have to pay. Not only pay, you pay 10 times more than local people in Indonesia. Everywhere that you go, they want a ticket. You have to purchase the ticket. Never mind the purchasing the ticket. The price of the local and foreigners is like foreigners tickets is like 10 times more. Since I'm here, guys, I want to film as much as I could. Maybe tomorrow I'll find somewhere else to film. God bless Vietnam, man. God bless Vietnamese people. one of the most kindest people in Southeast Asia. God bless them. Getting to these kind of places in Thailand is just a nightmare. Or in Indonesia. In Indonesia, you have to pay fortune, guys. If local people need to pay $1, you pay $10 in Indonesia. It's just like completely rip off. But God bless Vietnam, man. God bless. Why I'm getting so angry when the tourists misbehave? Because I know these people are gonna turn Vietnam to Thailand or Bali and stuff like that. So the whole society and the local people going to start hating tourists. God bless Vietnamese people, man. I love Vietnam. I love Vietnamese people. One of the kindest people, man. One of the kindest people. You respect the rules, you play by the rules, they respect you. God bless Vietnam, man. God bless Vietnamese people. I never had such a good experience in Southeast Asia. What a nice people. You know, there is absolutely no drama. In Thailand, you cannot get in and film. Everybody has a rules in Thailand for themselves. Every security has their own rules. Every place they have their own rules. There is nothing easy. It's just always complicated. Or in Indonesia. Indonesia is just aspect of money. You have to pay like 10 times more. But God bless Vietnam, man. You get in, it is free. It's just not a matter of money. It's just a matter of, you know, drama. That's why I hope Vietnam never turn to be Thailand, or I hope the government just squeeze these bad tourists and kick them out from the beginning. Because if they don't kick them out, what's gonna happen? They're gonna stay here and they're gonna behave like this, and then one day local people are going to start hating everybody. God bless Vietnam, man. I have an unlimited respect for Vietnam and Vietnamese people. Unlimited. One of the most kindest people in Southeast Asia. No question about it. And whoever that comes and complains here, something wrong with you. Or you're trying to defend Thailand. Because nobody wants to go to Thailand anymore. Everybody's here. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're a good man. Thank you very much. God bless them, man. God bless everything here. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna come back to this area, but maybe I'll be able to film something else, guys. But I thought to myself, since I'm here, let me film. Let me film as much as I could. That cafe is really nice too. Hello, xin chào. Xin chào. Yeah, tomorrow maybe I'll come back and film different part of here, guys. You know. So anyways, let's end this video, guys. I'm just keep filming and I'm exhausted. Cheers, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. What happened? Something happening? Guys, I'm here at the fort and it's so busy. A lot of people here. Guys, we're having some pho. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah. How's your pho? Good? Good? Say hello. Guess what? I matched with this beautiful lady 2-3 months ago in Kuinahan. And then now I find out today she moved to Nha Trang. Yesterday actually. The company moved her here. So now we had dinner. Look. Now we are just enjoying our walk. Oh my god, look at here. What is chuchut means? What is chuchut means? Tell me, what is chuchut means? What is chuchut means? Baby, what is chuchut means?